That's a lot of gear for $200.
So the master bath. Pretty fucking pimp. Got two closet, shitter, and a walk-in closet. Master bedroom. The back door. Got an ottoman over there, whatever the hell you call it. It's the back porch. Couple dirt bikes. Backyard. Living room. Kitchen. Over here we got a bedroom. One of the bathrooms. Mike's goofy ass. Put up a finger or something. Walk through here. This is the dining room that has no dining room table because Mike doesn't need one. The office that has 4 laptops for some reason. Over here we got the washroom. Garage, Crossfire, neighborhood. Bedroom I'm staying in. Closet. Another closet in the hallway. Fourth bedroom, excuse me. And third bath. Third full bath. Just gonna turn around and walk out the front door here. Mike's mom's car. That's it.